Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ExcelVBA Expert. In today's video, we are going to learn top 5 amazing secrets in Excel. So here, let's start from the question number 1. So here, you guys can see I have written where is Microsoft Query option in Excel. So we used to have our option of Microsoft Query, which was located in the Data tab and in Get Data from other sources. Here we used to had that option, but now where it is, we are unable to find it out, right? So how we can add that feature again back to the same, the not a same location, but yes, around the same. For example, that here we will have that option. How we can add first, okay, and later on that we will discuss on another things. So yep, now let's add from this Microsoft Query option, okay, in the data tab. How we can do that? Where we will get it, right? So you have to go in the file, go in the option, go in data tab, here data. So here you will be able to see from here legacy. You guys can see legacy, it means it all actually has become the older version. So we have to edit from here, from Microsoft Query. You just need to click OK, simple. Okay, now let's again go to the get data. Here you will have, where is that legacy wizard. In the legacy wizard, you guys can see here we have that option from Microsoft Excel Query, and this is what we used to have. Okay, this is the option is coming. Okay, this is what, right? So this is how that we can again edit. All right guys, now question number 2. In question number 2, we sometimes get struggle so much that we put the comment like this, right? But when we go on another cell, the comment, we want the comment to be visible to the user, right? Okay, so how we can do that? I don't want when I will hover the cursor then it will show. No, if even I'm working on another cells, my comment should still show to the user. How I can do that? So you need to go in the file, go in option, go in advance. In advance, you have to go little down here, little down here. You guys can see for cells with the comment show, here it is selected as indicator only and comment on hover. I want comment and indicator both, right? Simple, just click on OK. As soon as you will click, and you will be able to see that I am on another cell, but still my comments are being shown to the user, right? So this is how that you can make your comment visible to the user. Okay, so question number 3. In the question number 3, can we use the camera in Excel? Camera in Excel, what does this mean? It means that if I want to, it's just all about to taking the screenshot and to pasting somebody in a easier way. Okay, so here you have to go in the file, go in the option. Here you will have to go in the quick access toolbar. Here you have to select all commands. Okay, once you will select, so you will be having all the commands which are not added here. So here you have to select, you will have to press camera, CA, go little down, go little down. Here you will be able to see the camera, right? Just add it, simple and okay. As soon as you will add, I have that option camera, right? Here if I have selected, you see, wherever I'm again pressing escape. For example, that if I want to take a screenshot of this, I can select, I can click on this camera. If I will go and if I will now click somewhere else, for example here, you will be able to see this is a snapshot I have got in a easier mode. Just copy again, click the camera, and you will get your snapshot. Click the camera, select your cursor, click the camera, and paste it. You see, this is how that you can do. This is something which is an easier way to taking the snapshot. Okay, rather than pressing multiples, and this is dynamic. You guys can see this is dynamic. Okay, not as static. If I'm selecting, if I'm doing anything here, changing, if I will delete some everything, you see everything gone, right? So this is dynamic, the pictures and the snapshot we can capture through the camera. Okay, now question number 4. In the question number 4, here I have written how to use watch window. So we have watch window in formula bar. In formula step, you have to go, you will see here watch window. Here you can see I already added, but I want to clear everything. Okay, delete. Let's select everything. Okay, and I'm deleting everything. Okay, now if I am selecting this much, add watch, what does this mean? First of all, for example, that you want to know, and you want the tracking of the certain range where you are working. For example, I'm adding add watch. Here I'm selecting this much range, okay, and clicking add. Now you will be able to see if I will do like this, okay, make it like this, okay. So if I am doing anything, for example, I am writing here range between 12 to 100, so you will be able to see everything I can see here, everything I can see here, right? And now if I am selecting here equal to sum and formula, I also can see what is the formula used in watch window. You can see in watch window, you can see this is the formula. This is the formula. Watch window, it means that you are watching some cells and the range, that's it, okay. So this is how that you can also this is how that you can also use watch window, okay. Click here watch window, you will be able to see, okay. Click and watch. I'm removing it here from here. I remove. So this is something the four, and the fifth, which I'm going to show you, it is something about the visual. I am going in question number 5. So here you guys can see I have this beautiful chart. Can we really create this chart again in the Excel? How? Here I have shown it, the economy comparison between India and China, right? GDP, military spending, population, unemployment rate, military personnel, average life of expectancy, education spending, right? So this is how that can we really create such a beautiful chart in Excel? If yes, then how? Let's do it together. Okay, I'm just copying and pasting it here. Okay, and removing the grid line first. And after select your data, go and insert, take this stack bar chart, okay, 100%, okay. Delete it, delete the title as well, delete the this legends, not a legend, sorry. And you have to keep it on the top, select it, make it a little down, increase the size of your, simple. Now what you can do, can, all right, now remove this vertical line, right click on it, format data series, increase. Now let's increase the gap width. It's okay. All right. Now I want to give the color, instead of below, I would like to give the color of this, for example. And for this one, I would like to give the color of this. Okay. Now it is looking good. Okay. But still the work is pending. Now right click on it and add label. Right click on it, add label. Okay. Now right click on it, go in the format data size. Okay. Select your label, okay, and go here, and now you have to adjust it at the inside end, okay, and same for this inside the end, okay, inside the base, not end. And now go in the home, make it white, bold it, and bold it, simple. So far that we have done, but still let's give the title, select it, go in the format, take this text box and write it like this: comparison between India and China. Sorry, China. Economics, economics comparison between, and the font color I would like to give as this one, and color I would like to give this one. This is okay. So this is something else. Okay. Now you have to copy the text box. Just copy this text box and paste it here. Simple. And come little down, and the color you have to choose as a black now. And equal to, select the first, this one, okay, and reduce the size of it and adjust it something like this, okay. By pressing control, drag it down, then again drag it down, then again drag it down, then again drag it down, and for all the categories, simple. Now military, not a military, first this should be your A2, A3 is okay. It should be A4. It should be A5, A6, A6, A7, A8, so on. Okay, A8. Now let's select all the labels like this and set the font size. Now you have to, what is the size? It is 9. Now let's make it 9. 9. It is also 9. Now you see how good now it is looking. It is really looking so good as compared to the other chart. You see, correct? So I hope guys that you have enjoyed the video and you have learned. You have definitely would have learned something, right? So I will upload this video, and here I think I don't need to attach this file in the description box. But yes, if still it requires, please do let me know in the comment box. I will definitely upload it. So thank you so much everyone for watching the video. Thanks a lot.